You were involved in a car accident, and then you learned that the other driver has a substandard insurance company. Does that make things any different? Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana personal injury lawyer, and today I'd like to explain how you have to deal with substandard insurance companies. So the first thing is, what is a substandard insurance company? You see, there's a whole market of insurance companies out there that cater to the minimum professional responsibility insurance. So in Indiana, the folks that are required to carry insurance, you're required to carry $25,000 of bodily injury insurance and then property damage insurance. So this cottage industry writes these minimal policies to folks that have bad driving records or potentially had prior DUIs or OWIs. And so they have a marginal group of people. And so what they do is they charge them a lot of money for a little bit of insurance. And then many times after an accident, they go ahead and they try to rescind the insurance policy because usually there's something not truthful in the application, or they just make it really difficult. For instance, if you're involved in a car accident with a standard insurance company, the State Farm, the Allstate, the Geico, the Progressive, things along those lines, and they accept liability and they take care of your property damage. And for instance, if it's a total loss, they will take the vehicle, they will salvage the vehicle, and they will handle that on their own. When you're dealing with some of the substandards, they'll say, oh, we're not going to salvage the vehicle. We'll give you X amount of money, and then you have to salvage it on your own, and you'll be able to get that money. They make everything so difficult that folks who are involved with that, they don't know what to do and they get frustrated. The same thing is true if you make an injury claim against them. They put up every roadblock and every obstacle in front of you in order to make it so you have to go ahead and file a lawsuit. And many lawyers will not handle cases against these carriers because it is so difficult and the policy limits are so low. One of the ways that you can protect yourself against these carriers is you carry full insurance on yourself so that when you're involved in the accident, God forbid, you can go ahead and handle the property damage or the total loss through your own insurance company. Let your insurance company deal with them. The other thing is if you are significantly injured and you have an injury that's worth more than the state minimum limits, you have to have underinsured motorist coverage under your policy so that you can receive compensation for your injuries. What are some of these substandards? I consider Founders a substandard. They might be on the margin. Elephant, Chicago Insurance, names that you might not readily see on TV. These are the folks that will either go to a car agency and pay here, buy here, or they go ahead and they have to get specialized insurance where they might be paying $200, $300, $400, $500 a month for a little bit of insurance. So there you have it. If you get hit by a substandard, the best bet is to initially go through your own insurance company to pay for your vehicle, and then you most likely, if you have significant injuries, need to go ahead and hire a lawyer to assist you with that car accident claim. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have a great day.